You're watching Fox 45 Morning News. All local, all morning.
They're gooey, delicious, and a Maine summer treat. We are talking about s'mores. How people can experience some new twists on the classic treat. 8:12, you're watching Fox 45 Morning News, all local, all morning.
Hey, it's summertime, and why not think about campfires? In fact, check this out. Look to us just pulled up in the Fox 45 studios this morning. That's Smasmallow, and they're talking about a s'more experience. They're traveling around. They even are tying in our local chef. We all know him, Jim Benson, our chef right here. You're taking these Smasmallows and you're kind of stepping it up a notch, right?
Exactly. You know, you have an elevated twist on the all-American perfect snack that we all grew up loving is marshmallows and s'mores. And so we're s'moring better now, and we have this amazing experience with Smasmallow. With awesome flavors,
and
all natural
before we get all to the food, we can't be remiss not to mention the Jeep that's back here. Do you get to drive around in this Jeep right here?
I begged them to let me do it, but they're like, yeah, maybe not, you know. But yeah, it's an awesome.
Sticky fingers on the steering wheel, you know, and everything. They frown on that.
And all this oozy marshmallow, I don't want to mess it up. It's too pretty.
All right, well, you and I both like to eat. So when I came outside and saw this, started smelling it too, there's some different flavors. Now, they have a bunch of different flavors, but you're just going to work with 4 different flavors, and you're stepping up. The 4 marshmallows right here is 1 serving. So if you got 4 of those cubes right there, that's really 1 serving. Yeah. And it said on the pack 80 calories.
80 calories for 4 per serving, all natural ingredients, and it's really just an amazing product. With the 4 flavors, we have strawberries and cream. Okay. We have mint chocolate chip. We have cookie dough and cinnamon churro. I mean, these are 4 great flavors, and just the texture is what really got me, as well as the flavor. Amazing.
So how do we turn this? We're going to turn the cinnamon churro cubes into a s'more experience.
Exactly. So we're going to take the awesome cinnamon churro, and then we're going to have our beautiful, healthier version of chocolate. You know, a little bit darker chocolate.
Oh, dark chocolate.
Yeah,
okay,
exactly.
Yeah. Okay,
and roast that on an open flame, and then you have little elevated flavors of an ancho chili jam that we made in the kitchen. A little spice makes everything nice, right? As they say. And then you can just kind of add it together, and you have an oozy.
Okay, now this is really good. Look at that, oozing right off of there. Right. You see the chocolate melting, but look at that. The Smasmallow is still holding its shape and everything.
Exactly.
All right. So do you mind if I take a bite of this? Is this ready to go?
No judgment here.
All right, you're gonna have to keep talking while I chew.
You got it. One of the great things is, as you activate it with heat, that marshmallow gets creamier and creamier as you go along. I mean, you just can't beat it. I mean, if it's not messy, you're not having a good time, you know?
We are indulging the s'mores right here when you actually put a little bit of spice in there from the kids. But there's all different ways. Tell us, you stepped up in different
ways where you can get creative with the friends and family at home. We have kind of a s'mores pie. So we made a chocolate ganache with some bittersweet chocolate, some candied bacon, some fresh tarragon, and the strawberry and cream Smasmallow.
Only a chef could do this. Yeah. Real quick, we're running out of time, but tell me about that plate right there.
Who doesn't love some cookie dough and potato chips? So we have the delicious cookie dough Smasmallow with some potato chips and some malt vinegar powder, and of course some chocolate to end out that sweet, savory, salty deliciousness.
All right, it's sweets. It's July 4th. It's summertime, barbecuing and everything. So, you know, it says 80 calories. That's where we started. But Jim Benson, the chef right here, he took it up a notch. Yeah, and then we leave the calories, but still, we're starting out with a good base.
I mean, it's a perfect snack. I mean, you can just pop them. You don't even have to mess with the graham crackers or the chocolate or anything else. You can just open up that bag and then enjoy that movie and pop away.
All right, we need to go now, but let me just tell you, if you do see this Jeep, they're going to be stopping by a lot of retailers. In fact, we knew the Jeep is leaving Baltimore, and then we'll be heading up to New York, Philadelphia area, all around Boston, and coming around through the country.
Yeah.
But you won't be in it.
No. I might just follow them around. Every time they turn around, they'll be like, there's Jim Benson.
There's that guy with the sticky fingers behind him. All right, thank you, Jim.
All right, awesome. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, I had some of those s'mores, and I also had the snackable marshmallows out of the bag. My words can't even say.